Welcome you all. So today we discuss about the AAA department 2017 regulation 7th semester paper renewable energy systems. So it is a very important subject as far as my concern. So it is very important subject in upcoming years. So I hope this is a wonderful session for everyone of you. So first we know why to study this course. So we have to discuss about the five important parameters. So the renewable energy system means as of now we are getting from more number of energies from number of non-renewable resources. So some of the example of non-renewable energy source means so thermal energy, diesel power, diesel energy, then nuclear energy. So this kind of sources may be lost some of the years in future, maybe 2030 or 2040, 2050, or upcoming years. Maybe we lost the sources, but so after that we go for the where other kind of resources we have to generate the electrical systems, so that we are concentrating more more and more for the renewable type of energies, because this kind of energy getting the sources are from the our nature, so that this is called as a renewable energy systems. So the our huge potential to meet the energy demands of present and future generation. So as far as we are getting the number of energy, number of getting like that megawatt or gigawatt amount of powers getting from the non-renewable sources. But presently we are getting the I think a megawatt of energy from the renewable energy system. In upcoming years, maybe in future generation, we are increasing, we are increase number of renewable energy system. Means we have to satisfy our demand in a day by day in futures, so that we have to move for non-renewable energy systems to renewable energy system. So this is the right time to our change or moving to the towards to the renewable energy systems. So the second parameters promotes the sustainable growth and mitigates climate changes. So it is a very important parameters. So suppose we are using a non-renewable energy system, means it exposes the more number of gases, that is pollutions, noise pollution, gaseous pollutions, then land pollutions, water pollutions, number of issues as generated. So it is ultimately generate our living things, start from plant up to the humans. So it is very huge dangerous one, so that we are reducing this kind of non-renewable resources. Means we are say we are going to for a safe zone, so that we move for non-renewable to renewable sources. The third parameters enhance the energy security and eliminate the fuel supply risks. Suppose we are using a nuclear energy power system, means it is highly dangerous, because of it is completely we know the aware of our nuclear disasters in Russia and Chernobyl systems. We know about the ethics subject. Already we are know about the well in professional ethics subject. So we know about the strategy of Russian Chernobyl disasters. So this kind of nuclear systems are very huge dangerous one. So if we are lose our security, we are affect very huge. So that don't take the risk. That is a point. So the next, the fourth point, the modular in the nature and support the decentralized energy access. So this is it is very genuine parameters. Then fifth one, price competitive with conventional sources. So the price conventional, the actually the non-renewable energy sources It is installed cost is comparatively it is very huge, very huge amount. The installation, I think, maybe a megawatt or gigawatt system. We get it. It is surely possible. But renewable energy system, it is up to compact level to it is a huge levels. So installed our capacity means we get the power. It is very much lower, so that we comparatively we get the power in low level, but initiatives to the our economical level, initiative to the price means it is very high. So it is a very difficult our spending money in very huge amount, but we are getting the energy, it is very low level, but it is acceptable, it is reliable, our compact level. So that is the only reason we are moving to renewable energy systems. So this is a five important things we are why to study this course. Then in India, the energy scenarios, the data from the India brand equity foundations. We are generating the energy from the wind power systems in a fourth place. In the solar power, we are getting in fifth place. In 2008, we are in the fifth place, installed a capacity in the huge amount of level at 7.3 gigawatts in our government. The renewable energy country attractively index in 2019, we are in the third position. So day by day we are increasing number of renewable energy sources. So we are our government will be support to our individuals to our generating corporations. So NISE, then SECI, then National Institute of Wind Energy, IREDA, then Renewable Energy Government of India. So these are the important departments. So support to individuals to huge consumers. So we are moved to individually renewable energy system. If we are generating our own means, so huge amount of economically we are benefited. Suppose we are using approximately 350 units per month. So our tariff will be discussed in 0 to 100 units. It is one kind of tariff. Then 100 at 1 to 200. This is one kind of tariff. Then 201 to 300 is one kind of tariff. So the tariff rating will be changed in every sections. So section by sections we have to increase the means automatically we get the huge amount of money you have to spend for utilization of electrical energy. Suppose we are generating our own electricity from the solar energy, then wind energy, then suppose another kind of energy means we are getting benefited. So the getting benefiting the benefits from the supporting from the government, state government and central government also. So we are individually to promote each and every homes you have to situated in solar energy is very acceptable level. So we have to getting the solar energy means we have to reduce our economical level, then we have to consume our electrical energy purely also. So everyone may be ready to utilize our electrical energy. It is free of cost, right? Okay. The emerging markets for a clean energy investment. So Indian government has so fixed the targets. Government has to set one of the world most ambitious renewable energy targets for by aiming for 175 gigawatts by 2022, in which 100 gigawatt for solar energy, 60 gigawatt for wind energy, then 15 gigawatt for other kind of renewable energy sources. The India is also held the most competitive and the largest activated for the clean energy power developer contracts. This resulted in procurement of the equivalent of 19 gigawatts in 2018 alone. So together, this development pushed the country to the top of the table on its fundamental scores. So this is our government's targeted. As far as we have to achieve, they are achieved almost 40 to 50 percentage of work. So as our electrical department concerned, so this is our huge important informations. So job role. So the job opportunities through the worldwide. So we are more number of job requirements for. So this is indicates this is 11 million jobs as far as till now they are required. So noted my as far as 2013 we are required 24 million electrical engineers wanted. It is purely for renewable energy systems. So the solar system, bioenergy system, hydropower system, then wind energy system, then geothermal system. So indicating with the human resource, the individual single point is 50,000 jobs. So till now the 2020 up to 2020 level, 11 million jobs only purely allocated for renewable energies. These parameters are written from irena.org. So verify it. So you get the more information from the this website also. Okay. Coming to the main objectives. So create awareness about the renewable energy sources and technologies. The second point, provide the adequate informations on variety of issues in harnessing renewable energies. Then third one, understand the current and possible futures role of renewable energy sources. So this is for our major objective of this subject. So what we learn from this subject after we have to uh, study go through the 5 units, what we know about means first one, the ability to create the awareness about the renewable energy sources and technologies. The second one, the ability to get the adequate inputs on variety of issues in harnessing renewable energy. The third one, the ability to recognize the current and possible future roles of renewable energy sources. The fourth one, the ability to explain the various renewable energy resources and technologies and their applications. And fifth one, the ability to understand the basic bioenergy, biomass energy. Then sixth one, the ability to acquire knowledge about the solar energy. So this is for the important informations we know about the systems.